Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can change password on Skype. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Skype, and when you're going to be here, go to left top corner and then go to here to settings, and now you're going to see a profile picture, Skype name, and you want to click here on your profile right here. When you're going to click on it, it will appear new tab on the website. And right here next to the personal information, you're going to see change password. And now you just had to add your password that you had before. And then you need to have a code that I'm going to take. And then you can simply change password. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.